Hello guys, Kiss Programming to Inspire. Welcome to the third part of the TicTacToe series. First I created a few images, sprites. These are 32 by 32 and this one is 96 by 96. I will create a new folder, call it res for resources. I created a package, so I will delete it and create new folder. I will drag those images into this folder. I have it here now. So go into the properties, Java build path, libraries, add class folder, and go to TicTacToe. Check the res folder and click OK, apply and close. And now this image should appear. Now create two more classes. One will be Sprite. Rename it. I'll delete and make it again because I didn't put it in the right package. Sprite, and put it in the .graphics package, and new class renderer, and put it in the .graphics package as well. Now for the Sprite class. Sprite will have public int width, height, and public int array of pixels. We will have a constructor public sprite string path, we'll have buffered image is equal to image io dot read sprite dot class dot get resources path. Now this will throw an exception, so surround it with try and catch. Inside try close width is equal to image dot get width, height is equal to image dot get height, and pixels is equal to image dot get RGB. 0 width, height, null, 0 width. Here is width. Now we have to create those sprites, so public static sprite cross is equal to new sprite path is cross dot png. Copy paste this 2 times, circle and bg for background. This is it for this class. Now go into the renderer class. Here we'll have private static int w is equal to TicTacToe dot width, and h is equal to TicTacToe dot height. Public static int array of pixels is equal to new int array w times h. Public static void render background for int y is equal to 0, y is less than h, y plus plus, and for int x is equal to 0, x is less than w, x plus plus. Int call for color is equal to sprite bg dot pixels x plus y times w. if cal is equal to 0x ff00ff pixels x plus y times w is equal to 0x f4. This is light gray for the background, and this color is ff00ff. So now for the else statement, else pixels x plus y times w is equal to cal. Now create another method, public static void render sprite s int xp int yp. If xp and yp stands for x position and y position, if x position is less than minus s dot width, or y position is less than minus s dot height, or x position is greater or equal to w, or y position is greater or equal to h, we should return, because our sprite is not on the screen in those positions. For int y is equal to 0, y is less than s dot height, y plus plus. Copy paste that inside, change y to x, and s dot height to s dot width. Here we forgot something, so int yy is equal to y plus y position if yy is greater or equal to h, or yy is less than 0. Continue, because this pixel is not on the screen. Copy paste that, change yy to xx, and y to x, and y position to x position, and here xx and w. Now if int color is equal to s dot pixels x plus y times s dot width, if color is equal to 0x ff00ff, continue. This is our transparent pixels xx plus yy times w is equal to color, and this should be it. So let's check if it works. Here in the game class render method, first call renderer dot render background. At the end we have to assign values to those pixels here, because these get displayed from the renderer class. So these pixels have to be copied into these pixels. We'll do this with for loop. Int I is equal to 0, I is less than TicTacToe dot pixels dot length, I plus plus TicTacToe dot pixels I is equal to renderer dot pixels I. In between that we have to render everything we want to render. So first renderer dot render sprite dot circle at 0 0. And now render also cross at 32 and 32. Run, and we have it works. Now let's also delete this in the update method. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.